His Excellency, Engineer Seyi Makinde FNSC, also coming with the Executive Governor of Rivers State, His Excellency, Governor Nyesom Wike. Thank you, Your Excellency. In Oyo State, we are very hospitable people. And so as a token of our... That will be all. Shall we rise for the national anthem?
Are you wearing the amnesty program too?
Yes,
Yes, I'm here today with my delegation to first of all commensurate with the governor and the people of Oyo State over the passing on of the Ibadan. Of course, we believe as Christians that God gives and God takes. It is at any appointed time that He deems necessary. There's nothing anybody can do. So we want to commensurate with you and your government and the entire people of Oyo State over the death of the late Oyo Ibadan. We believe that God in His infinite mercy will guide you and give you the wisdom and the courage over the demise of the late Oyo Ibadan. And also, at the end of the day, God will give you the wisdom to get a new Oyo Ibadan that will help you to pilot the affairs of Oyo State and Ibadan in particular. And also to thank you and say sometimes people may not understand the qualities of certain people until you give them certain assignment. It's on record and the history of PDP that the last convention that you were the secretary of the planning committee of the convention came out to have this. It's important for us as a party to unite because Nigerians are waiting for PDP and we cannot afford to lose this opportunity. And the key for that is that the governors must be united and must support the party. It doesn't matter who will be the party's presidential candidate. If the party is united, the governors are united, I can tell you that victory will be on our way. So to play the governors of the party is key to making sure the party gets it right. Forget about those moving about whether they will be president. That's not the issue. So the way we are united and produce a national chairman and produce the best convention that Nigerians were surprised should also be the best the way that we should work hard to produce a presidential candidate that will win election for PDP. Because if we lose it this time around, Nigerians will not be happy with us. We cannot allow this evil to continue. This evil, they call it APC. This is evil. There's nothing anybody can talk about it. And that's why they cannot put themselves together. So God has used people like you to unite a party, to organize a convention that are claimed to be the best by international community. So we must go around and come to our house in order so you can repeat what you did in the last convention. So mine is going around to tell our people, let us work together as a party. And we will be able to stand APC in the next general election. Anybody that PDP brings up to be the presidential candidate, we must all rally around and make sure that we win the election. Don't forget about people going around saying there should not be zoning. That's a distraction. People going around to say, oh, they are zoning. That's a distraction. If we are united, for me, those who are doing that are agents of APC. They are not helping the party. You can't go around to say, don't allow zoning. You don't go around to say, they have zoning. Whichever way, as a party, we must sit down and take the best decision that will make Nigerians to be happy, that will make us to win an election. Anything we are doing that we cannot win an election, then there's no basis for it. Because we still want Nigerians to suffer. Nigerians can't continue to suffer. They've suffered enough in the hands of APC, and God will not forgive PDP if we don't rescue Nigeria. God will not forgive PDP. And I believe you are one of the people cool-headed, doing well in your state. You are doing well. You look at the distractions, but if one people come and come to your friend, I think, what makes you a leader is able to take a decision? You may be wrong, but you must take a decision. It's not to push you here and push you here. No. Take a decision. By the time you identify that you are wrong, there is nothing wrong in coming to say, I think we are not right here. And there is nothing wrong in taking a decision to correct it. But you must take a decision. Not taking a decision means that there is no leadership. It's not the one that we have in APC today, they will say this, tomorrow they will say that. You don't even know who is even the one in charge. You are in charge of Oyo State and you are doing well. People must criticize. Even in your family, people must criticize you. So the focus, do not be distracted. So once more, I thank you.
To even the lowest position. So it's a year that we have to take, serious decisions. Because whatever we do and whatever the outcome, Nigerians will have to live with that for the next 4 years. This past almost 7 years, nationally, has been a real disaster. If you look at the data, an economy that was growing at 5 to 6% yearly before then suddenly became stalled. We went into recession. We came out of recession. We were still dazed, and then we thought we were coming out, and we went back into recession. We don't know what we're doing. Meanwhile, the population is also growing at an alarming rate. So, just like our party, we've been pushing, this is the time to rescue Nigeria. This is the time to pull back from the gains, and I do not have any doubts. In particular, you provided a lot of support for us behind the scene. So I want to thank you and encourage you. Leadership is a burden. So if you're in leadership in piloting the affairs of River State, if you're in leadership nationally, if you're in leadership, in pushing for what is right and just, within for more strength and good health, so that I welcome you on behalf of the government and the people of Oyo State. I welcome you to Ibadan. When Governor Wike was talking, he said he would like to commiserate with us on the death of Ibadan.
Thank you, sir. Just two of them.
The Ebola had people, they've taken over the city of
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.